Alright, so I have the edges done all the way around, if you can tell or not. And I decided not to overlap the edges. I decided to just put them together. I'll put some tack weld on them and then clean it up a little bit, smooth it out, make it look clean. And now the next thing I'll do, I just wanted to show you what I'm going for and what it looks like. That's why I got it. I have it like this. That barely setting on there. A little gust of wind would probably knock it off and make a big noise. Next, I'm gonna cut this long rod down to size and make the frame for that tray. Alright, so the next part on this tool tray is adding these hinges. Have two of them, putting them on here. So when I'm done using the tray, I'll have a keeper pin over here somewhere. I haven't fabricated that yet, but that's coming up. That's coming up. But tray will go like so, and that allows some more storage space. That's the whole reason for this hinge in the top. I have this one put in on place and off camera. I use the magnet and the C-clamp and the straight edge to make sure, squat it down, look, to make sure it's not too high. It's perfect. That's ready for a weld. I'm going to show you by doing the other side how I got to this like this. So here we go. Let's see if we can adjust here a little bit, get rid of some of my belly. We get rid of the belly. No belly here. I've been snacking all day. I don't really ate a whole meal. Why should I? Oh yeah, I was born fat. Never mind. All right, so the hinge, I wanted the table to go straight down, so the hinge has to be this way. Can't be that way or it won't work. So it has to be this way. We have to put this in. Let's see now, I got that lined up with that much. So it's going to be about that much over here. There we go there. Tuck that in. Let me take a look here, make sure that's where I want it to be. And it looks pretty doggone. Come in like so. Yeah, we'll go back a little bit more. I think that's good right there. So we have what we want. Let's put the belly in. Put the belly in view. Alright, clamp it down. C-clamp. Double check. Check low. That's fine, but this is low. Just tap it a second. Just to hit the thing. Okay. Yeah, that's on target. Make sure this side didn't change none. That's on target as well. We are ready to weld. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you're still sticking around and watching. Well, how you like that? Okay, there we go. I think I'm on some paint. Yeah, okay, that's good. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you for hitting like, comment, and subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. Appreciate it. And you'll see I do a lot of off-the-wall projects. As soon as the weather straightens up, I want to get back on Miss Cheyenne too. She'll be under construction again this year. I have the center console. I want to finish that up. After this, that's going to be next. I got myself committed to 2 other side jobs, little small engine side jobs, but after that, I don't plan on taking on any more. Let's just do my stuff. Just putting on a tack, hopefully well enough just to hold it, make sure everything's going to function correctly. Alright, I like that. Alright, so there we go for that. Have a little bit more work to do on the bottom of the tray in order to set here evenly. So I'm going to move on to that part. Alright, now I'm going to weld in the center piece. It's a 1/2 inch off from center, so it will set in here correctly. And then we'll weld it together, make that top complete. So I don't know how many of you are like me. As you fabricate, you change your plans. I'm not liking, now that I see it in position, I'm not liking the idea of welding those 3 holes to this. I think it was like 18 gauge metal. I don't think there's enough strength there. I'm positive there's not. So I'm going to take this square solid steel. I forget what size it is. I think it's like 3/8 or something like that. But anyway, I'm going to run 2 bars, weld to the sides, and weld to the hinge itself. 2 bars across. I believe that will work really well, be strong enough. And I was thinking of a keeper pin in the back. Well, I changed my mind on that. I'm going to have an arm that will connect from here down to here, and then whenever I need to fold it down, just push it out of place and let it drop. I have a pretty good idea in my mind. I just can't really explain it, but stick around, you'll see what I'm talking about. Well, it's tacked on and getting late. I have to call it a day because my Superman thinking was thinking I could finish this today, other than paint. But a little demonstration here. My plan is going to work. Gotta be careful, it's just tacked on right now. I have to continue to weld it up more. But we have to call it a night. It's working so far. We'll be back on it tomorrow.